Stop. 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 Go.
Salt Lake City 911, somebody dialed. Is there a police, fire, or medical emergency?
I'm down at Fisher Brewing Company, and a guy just tried to run in and steal beer.
What is the address?
He's in his underwear, and he's just running around. Definitely a danger to himself or maybe the traffic around here, too. He is northbound on 300 West, just north of 800 South. Yeah, he just like more or less attacked the person at our door and ran through a couple of other customers who tried to stop him. So.
Okay.
Stop. 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 Go. Hey. Call for third. Call for third. Can we get third? Stop. Stop. Stop.
Can we get a third officer and a supervisor? Hey!
Stop.
What'd I say?
Stop. 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 Stop.
Right here. Right here.
Stop. 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 Right now. He's got a hand on you. Grab his hand. Someone come grab his hand.
Grab his hand.
Dylan's wet. Hands on your back, bro. All right. Stop. Right now. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
Do it now!
Now. Put your hand behind your back.
We can't get his other hand.
Alright.
What's up, Hogan?
I gotta get off him.
He's got to get off him. Oh, I got his hand.
Knock it off. Stop resisting.
Come on.
Stop resisting. Come on. Bring his hand. Knock it off. Throw the cuffs. There we go.
413, 83 1.
Stop.
Hey. Hey. Come on. guys good?
Yeah. We might need a wrap.
Yeah,
We're gonna need a wrap for sure.
You sure grabbing your gun and your gun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop, man.
Relax, dude. No. You just started running.
Talk to us, man. Talk to us. Space we can give you.
You want to sit up?
We can sit you up if you stop.
You gotta be cooperative though, man. We wanna help you. You gotta stop fighting with us.
Hey. Relax, man, okay? Take some breaths. You're alright. Talk with us. You gonna be cool?
Trying to pull his pants down? No, I think it's just like...
I slammed my knee to that fucking ground.
You alright?
Oh, are you?
Hey, someone switch him out. Can you hear me? He's relaxing.
Recovery.
Come on, man.
Okay, we're going on his back.